In today's video, we're going to show you how to fit architrave lengths to each side of our door opening. To start, we want to prep our area ready so our architrave will sit flush when fitted. First, remove any obstructions around our door frame like door latches, old fixings and any old skirting that may obstruct our new architrave. Then, using a sander, smoothen off the existing door frame. Now that our door frame is now prepped, we may need to add a packing strip along the edge of our door frame so that our architrave will sit flush against the wall. We're going to step this packer in from the door by 8mm to break the edge, setting it back to make the strip part of our architrave. Then measure from the floor to the ceiling to gauge how long both our packer and architrave will be. Transfer our measurement to our packer strip and then cut to size, adding a thin bead of wood joining glue to one side of our strip. Then place our strip to our door frame, aligning it to our markings and then fix into place using a nail gun. Now we're going to mark a depth of 5mm to our strip in from our door frame to where our architrave will sit. Cut our architrave to size from the measurement we gauged earlier and then evenly pilot hole fixings along the inner edge for where we will nail our architrave to our door frame. Then, along the back of our architrave, add a thin bead of wood joining glue to where it will join to our door frame. And then on the other side, add a bead of adhesive to where it will join to our surrounding wall. Offer into place, and then where we made our pilot holes, use as a guide to pilot hole the door frame behind our architrave to stop the door frame from splitting when we add our fixings. Then, add our fixings to each pilot hole, hammering down just before we reach the profile, then using a pin punch tool to sit the fixings behind the profile of our architrave. We then want to repeat this process for the other side, ready for decorating. What we're left with is a clean finish of architrave each side of our door frame. For more tutorials, tips and tricks, consider subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our latest videos. We hope this video helped, and we'll see you in the next one.